Now what we do is we're gonna need to know where to put our numbers. So we put the first one right under the hanger. That's gonna be our 12. I'm gonna take a black one and just put it, I'm gonna hold the hanger and put it right under the hanger. Now of course the 6 is going to be on the same lines parallel to the under the 12. So we are going to put them 6 here. And now the 3 and the 9, you can do it by the eye. If you want to be more, if you want to do it very straight, you can always use the ruler and just make sure that you put it right in the place. But I'm just going to do it according to my eyes. And I'm going to glue the 3 and the 9. And in between them, I'm just going to put the 2 and the 1 and the 2 and the 4 and 5. Okay. We're almost done. Again. And last one. Okay, we have our number on now. You can see.